Creating a Fiverr gig for handwriting assignments can attract clients who need handwritten notes, assignments, or artistic writing. Here's how to set it up effectively. Create your Fiverr account. Sign up on Fiverr and complete your profile, including a professional photo and a brief bio that highlights your handwriting skills. Define your handwriting services. Specify what types of handwriting services you will offer. Options could include handwritten assignments or notes, calligraphy services for invitations or events, custom handwritten quotes or messages. Create your gig. Click on Selling and select gigs to create a new gig. Choose a catchy title like Professional Handwriting Services for your assignments. Write a clear description that outlines what you offer, emphasizing your unique style and the quality of your work. Set pricing and packages. Offer different packages based on factors like word count, complexity, or delivery speed. Showcase your work. Upload high-quality images of your handwriting samples to demonstrate your skills. Consider adding a video to explain your process or showcase your work. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your gig title and description to improve visibility in search results. Promote your gig. Share your gig on social media and relevant forums to attract more clients.